In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Oberlo with AliExpress. So Oberlo is a product importer. So if you want to import products from AliExpress directly to Oberlo and then to Shopify, you can actually do that. So you want to make sure to install the Oberlo extension first, which you can do on the Chrome Web Store, for example. You then want to go to AliExpress after you signed in and created your free account on Oberlo. So what this does is that it lets you import products from AliExpress onto Oberlo or your Shopify store directly. So you want to find a product that you want to do this with. For example, let's say that I want to import these ones or like this product right here. You click on the product, you'll then see the Oberlo icon that shows up in the bottom right corner. Push this product to Oberlo. You want to click on that and it should then do that. Product imported successfully. You can then remove it or open the import list, and that's how you can use it. So import to store action will be enabled when a store is assigned. So you can also connect your Shopify store right here. So click on connect to store, enter your URL, and you can then click on connect a store. But that's how you can do this. So right now it's adding the product on Oberlo, and that's pretty much how you can use Oberlo with AliExpress. It's pretty simple, and there we go. So 48 variants with all the pricing, and yeah, that's pretty much how this works. So it's not even that complicated. You simply want to install the extension, go to AliExpress, click on the icon when you're on a product page. You will then import it, and you can then use that on Oberlo or import it even to your Shopify store. So yeah, that's how you can do this. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.